Imagine yourself lying out on the white sandy beaches, enjoying a papaya drink, learning how to dance samba, all while basking in the warm tropical sun. Welcome to the country Brazil. Today, my purpose is to inform you about the country Brazil. I have done thorough research about Brazil and have become very knowledgeable about this specific country. I will discuss interesting facts about Brazil so you can also become knowledgeable about this country. To begin, I will talk about how dance influences Brazil's culture. Dance is an important component of Brazil's culture. Specifically, in Brazil, samba is a prominent genre of dance. Samba has African roots, and this is due to the fact that there's a large population of African descendants because of slavery. Samba is usually danced to the rhythm of the African drum, and samba involves moving your hips in rhythm. Samba is often danced during Brazil's carnival. Next, I will discuss how racially diverse Brazil is. Brazil is the 5th largest country in the world by land and the 6th largest by population. I have a visual that will break down Brazil's population. So as you can see, Brazil has 43.1% mulatto. And when we say mulatto, we mean a mixture of African descent and European descent. Then Brazil has 47.7% white. And when we say white, we mean European descent from countries like Spain and Portugal. Combined together, Brazil has a population of 7.6 Black and Indian. And when we say Black, we mean predominantly African, not a mixture with anything else. So in this study, they actually combined the Black population and the Indian population. As you can see, mulatto is a huge chunk of Brazil's racial population, and that shows that Brazil is very mixed, and this is due to colonization from Portugal and the slave trade, as the Europeans mixed with the Africans and then also the indigenous people that were there before. So, like we said, Brazil is the 5th largest country by land. So, Brazil is home to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is very vast and home to almost millions of species. The Amazon rainforest is responsible for producing over 6% of the world's oxygen. Currently, the Amazon rainforest is being cut down, and this poses as an environmental problem, as like we said, the Amazon rainforest produces so much oxygen. So cutting down the trees in the Amazon rainforest actually depletes the oxygen. Things to do in the Amazon rainforest could include zip lining or even just watching the wildlife. So Brazilians come from Europeans, Africans, and indigenous people, and that makes up the population of Brazil. And Brazil is actually the last country in the Americas to abolish slavery, and it officially abolished slavery in 1888. Finally, I will discuss Brazilian cuisine. Brazilian cuisine is characterized by European, African, and American Indian influences. Sugarcane is one of the most prominent types of food that's actually grown in Brazil, and this can go back to the sugarcane plantations that Brazil used to have when slavery occurred. Also, Brazil's climate is very optimal for sugarcane and other fruits to be grown in. Other fruits that are eaten in Brazil include papayas, passion fruit, and bananas. Brazilians like to eat fresh foods to stay fit. And lastly, rice is a staple food that is eaten in the Brazilian diet. In conclusion, from beaches to the Amazon, the country Brazil has so much to offer. The Amazon can allow you to see species that you have never even imagined. Brazil has become a very diverse country made up of many racial backgrounds. Your taste buds will be delighted when eating Brazilian cuisine. You can learn how to move your hips while dancing samba or when visiting for carnival. The country Brazil is an amazing country, and it should be on everyone's travel destination. I hope you visit Brazil soon.